So, good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening. Arsenal have signed a player. Yay, Vieira. Ooh, Vieira. He comes from Portugal. He's not from Senegal. Vieira. Whoa. Oh, sorry. I went to the spa today. Look at the state of that Barnet. Should we do the stream like this? I think it looked better with the hat on. Let's put the hat on. Yeah, live stream with the hat on. Yeah, let's go. They made me buy this hat. Yeah, €3 just to go in the jacuzzi. Are you taking liberties or what? Anyway, we're going to do the whole stream like this, just for the banter. We've got the Suaves. I got my boy Connor over from the UK with his girlfriend. Big up to Connor. Yeah, come on. Chelsea scumbag. But big up to him. Big up to everybody who's been watching the videos recently. I don't care if I look like a prat. I'm just going to wear it anyway because it's better than looking like, I don't know, Wurzel Gummidge or something, with my hair being a mess. But big up to everybody who has been watching the videos recently. Big up to everybody who has been dropping the donations in. Mwah, mad love. And listen, the people that I've replied late to, it's not because I've wanted to reply late. It's because it goes into held for review. So I get a lot of people say, oh, you're deleting messages, Gunnar. You're deleting messages. No, certain messages get flagged and they go into held for review. Unless I check held for review and go through them, I will never see their messages. So even donations go in there via the thanks option. Big up to all of you lot that have done that. The biggest donation will always be pinned, and I will always reply to everyone who does that. Big up to everyone who's been putting comments in, sharing the streams, the videos, sharing the content around, taking clips and putting them all over Twitter to make me trend again, putting them all over TikTok. Big up to everyone on TikTok. I ain't even got TikTok. So anyone who's posing as me on TikTok, keep going, mate. It ain't me. But anyway, we are going to talk about quite a lot, actually. We have actually announced Fabio Vieira as our player. I want to read out a couple of bits off of Arsenal's website. You can get his new shirt, number 21. Yes, he's taken the 21 shirt. Who had 21 before? Was it Lucas Torreira? I can't remember. But you can get the authentic home shirt for €140 if you fancy it. Up to you. You can get the long sleeve version for 110, or you can just buy the normal shirt, the short sleeved new shirt with 21 Fabio Vieira on the back for €104, which is about what, 90 quid? What an absolute rip-off this football club has become. But anyway, let's read out what has happened before we talk about Gabriel Jesus and Rafinha. Fabio Vieira has joined Arsenal from FC Porto on a long-term contract. The 22-year-old midfielder who has made 54, yes, 54 appearances during his time with Porto, developed through the Portuguese club's youth academy, making his first team debut in June 2020. Was part of the Premier Liga winning squads in both 19-20 and 21-22. Then says click to, no, we ain't clicking. Fabio is a Portuguese under-21 international who has scored an impressive 13 goals in his 21 appearances. Okay. 21 appearances. But it says he's made 54 appearances. Was it 21 or 34? I don't know. Sounds better if you say 13 goals in 21 rather than 13 in 54. But in the first statement, it said 50. He has made, a 22-year-old midfielder has made 54 appearances. It then says, Fabio, the Portuguese under-21, has scored an impressive 13 goals from his 21 appearances. Well, is it 21 or 54? Make your minds up. Sounds better, though. Sucks in the hipsters. Vieira. Woo. Anyway, he was also represented his country at youth level because he ain't good enough to play at full-time level yet. Not yet. But we're not being negative and toxic before you melt cry. Oh, you're so toxic. Cry more. We're sitting there with a swimming cap on. Nobody cares. Playing all 5 tournament matches as Portugal finished runners-up. They were second. They were first losers in 2019 under-19 championships. During last season's Primera Liga winning season, he made 27 appearances, scoring 6 goals, making 14 assists. Well, is it 21, 27, or 54? Arsenal are confused.com. Anyway, technical director Edu said, we are pleased to have completed the signing of Fabio from FC Porto. Fabio is a player with special. See this card? It says special. Tell me the film. Put it in the comments. Special. It says I'm put the film in the comments. If you know, you know. We're all looking forward to working with him and enjoying his future contribution to Arsenal. We will now continue to work hard and looking forward to finishing this transfer window as strongly as possible, i.e. a few more Brazilians or Brazilian speakers, Portuguese speakers. Mikel Arteta, the most fraudulent manager in living history. Yeah, I told you I'd wear it all the way through, innit? Yeah. Said, I'm very excited that we have identified and signed such a special talent. Fabio is a very creative player and will bring high quality and versatility to our attacking play. Yes, we need some strikers, mate, because it's all well and good having attacking nous. We need attackers to bury the chances he's going to create. We welcome Fabio and his family to our club, and we're looking forward to starting work with him ahead of the new season. Fabio will wear the number 21 and will join up with his new teammates for pre-season shortly. Everyone at Arsenal welcomes Fabio to the club. There's then a gallery of Fabio, which I'm not going to share because I'm not sharing Arsenal website. I refuse. He looks extremely skinny like me. This is going to be peak. I can't lie. Very good player, technically. But my man needs to go gym. I've signed up for a gym. I start Monday. This guy is skinnier than me. He's giving it the high five. Vieira. Woo, Vieira. He comes from Portugal. He's not from Senegal. Vieira. Yeah, this guy looks 10 stone dripping wet, just like me. So my man needs to bulk up real quick. Otherwise, it's going to be a Mazzolini next season. Our new midfielder, Fabio Vieira, has said he is eager to get going in his new home. Oh, Top Gooners are rejoicing. He's come to the second home. Wasters. After completing his switch from Portuguese champions Porto. Anyway, let's go through his press conference. Fabio, welcome to Arsenal. How excited are you to be making this move? Well, he's not going to say he's fucking bored, is he? I am thrilled, of course. This is an important step in my forward career. Arsenal is a huge club, a historic club. I'm so delighted to be here. Big up to this guy. I'm only taking the mic, by the way. But a lot of you get caught up in your feelings. It all happened very quickly. Could you tell us the process? Didn't they say that about Ben White as well, and about Tomiyasu and about everyone else? It all happened very quickly. Turn it in. It was certainly a fast process. Oh my days, this guy's already been sucked in. He's been sucked in, people. The process, the process. It was something that I was drawn to. Meeting the people at the club was a real positive. I'm loving it's here, and I am here to give the team my all. Which factors made your decision? As I said, Arsenal is a historic English club, one of the biggest clubs in the world. Yeah, take note of that, Top Gooners and super fans. One of the biggest clubs in the world, acting like Barnet, yeah? But anyway, this was one of the main factors behind me choosing Arsenal. I really like the way the team plays. Really? You like the way the team plays? Wow, he ain't watched us the last couple of seasons then. I can't wait to get started. Have you had a chance to meet Mikel Arteta? Oh, here we go. The Mikel Arteta propaganda begins. What has he said to you? I haven't met him in person. Thank fuck for that. Jesus Christ. But I have spoken to him. He told me he couldn't wait to start working with me. Wait till you get in the dressing room with him, mate. Can you tell us a bit about your playing style? I am an attacking player. Well, that's finished then, because we're defensive under this manager. Who somebody's going to clip all this and go, oh, look how toxic he is over a new signing. But anyway, who cares? We don't care. We're on the Suaves. We're sat in a fucking swimming hat. Nobody cares. Big up to you. Cheers, guys. Ray Parlour voice. Have they wheeled out Righty with his number 21 shirt? Yeah. Woohoo! Righty. Anyway, I play between the lines, and I'll finish off moves either with assists or by scoring goals. I think those are the main attributes Arsenal fans can expect. I would always give my all for them. He sounds good, doesn't he? You are known as a creative and attack-minded player. Do you have a favourite goal? So you're asking him, you're an attack-minded and creative player, but you're asking him the question before, can you tell us your playing style? Can people see the PR here? Yeah? Tell us about your playing style. The next question. You are known as a creative and attack-minded. Well, why'd you ask him then? Yeah, mad, isn't it? I don't have a favourite goal. My 3 years at Porto were very important. People know it's my club. They're also important. What are your strengths and what do you want to develop? My strengths are my passing and shooting ability. Well, don't worry. Mikael will coach that out of you, mate, real quick, because we don't shoot. I think those are my main strengths. I'd say what I need to work on is my physical side. See, he's watched the video already. Big up Fabio Vieira. Oh, Vieira. Anyway, you're a regular for the under-21s, often alongside Nuno Tavares, the Olympic sprinter that's not a footballer. He just runs fast and everyone, oh, he can run quick. Have you spoken to him? I haven't had a chance. That's a lie. Haven't had a chance to speak to him. You are chatting BS, bruv. You're telling me you have not messaged that guy. Nah. Oh, I'm lying. Maybe I'm drunk. I've had a chance to speak to him. It's been a long day, people. Sparse settings. I'm super relaxed. I've had a chance to speak. He told me a bit about the club. They are fantastic people here who have helped me with everything I've needed. I'm not going to go through all of this because this just goes on with generic question after generic question. What are your hopes and ambitions for Arsenal? I hope we achieve the goals that have been set out for the season. We all have to be here for each other and help the club achieve. At that point, the question should have been, what are the goals? That's the end of the press conference, though, of course. Listen, looks a decent player. Very much Cazorla-esque. Forget what all these super fans and top gooners are telling you about. Oh, he's our Bernardo Silva. No, he's not. No, he's not. Yeah, he might get to that level one day, but he's not our Bernardo. He's not our Santi Cazorla. But for me, his playing style, having seen the clips that are doing the rounds from top gooners and super fans that made out that they've watched him and tracked his whole career since he came out of the fucking womb. Yeah, they've tracked him before his mother was even impregnated. They were tracking Fabio Vieira. It was them that were tracking him. They've checked the air temperature. They've checked absolutely everything. The grass in his back garden. They know exactly what time he goes to bed, what iPhone he's got, how long he's had it. Everything about Fabio Vieira, don't worry. AFTV have got you covered because they know everything about every player because they're super fans. But all jokes aside, he does actually look a very good player. Will he succeed at Arsenal? If I'm being completely honest, probably fucking not. And if he does, he'll end up going to Man City or Chelsea. Let's be real with it. Anyone who's half decent leaves and goes to a better club. So listen, I do hope the guy is good. I do hope he smashes it. In the grand scheme of things, it's probably not going to happen under this manager. Hopefully, fingers crossed, this manager gets sacked this season. And we actually see the glimmers of hope that we've seen from this kid at Porto come to fruition at Arsenal and grow and develop into a top player. But from what I have seen, he's left-footed, right-footed. I don't even know. I think he's left-footed. But he's equally as good on the right, hence why I don't know. Long-range shots will be cut out by this manager because we're not allowed to shoot unless you're Granit Xhaka. Xhaka boom once a season. But there we go. It is what it is. But listen, leave your thoughts and feelings on Vieira. Ooh, he comes from Portugal, not from Senegal. It's Vieira. But leave your comments in the comment section. Big up to everyone watching. Make sure you smash the likes. As you can see, I am in full flow. Yeah, full flow. We've got the swimming cap on. Why did we have to put these on, Connor? What was that? He's bald. Yeah, and I'm receding. Why did we have to wear these? What's that all about? It's mad. Chelsea scum. Chelsea scum. At least your club's got ambition, mate. I'd love my club to be like yours. But anyway, let's move on. Let's talk about Gabriel Jesus. We only sign Portuguese-speaking players, apparently, at this football club. Edu Gaspar is the most fraudulent technical director in world football. It is what it is. I can't help it, so don't hate the player. Hate the game. Yeah, it is what it is. Cheers, guys. Edu has now signed this guy. We're now very close to signing Edu's grandchild. Maybe it is his grandchild. I don't know. But we are going to sign Gabriel Jesus by the looks of it for around £45 million, which for me, I think is a bit overpriced. I think it's a bit of a rip-off, if I'm honest. He's got 1 year left on his contract, and we're going to sign this guy up for about 40 million quid. For me, that's a bit of a joke. I do like Gabriel Jesus. I do think he's a very good player. But at the same time, I feel like we need something more than Gabriel Jesus, as well as Gabriel J. I'm a bit tipsy, I can't lie. As well as Gabriel Jesus. We need a hold-up man, a target man, somebody that's going to hold the ball up, little man, big man, Heskey Owen, that type of thing, you know what I'm saying? But it's kind of mad because these fans are going to get so giddy over Gabriel Jesus when, let's be real, he's going to leave the champions who will happily let him walk out the door. So surely the standard should be chase the champions, be the champions. But now we're going to take the champions offcasts, the hand-me-downs, as it were. But listen, if we sign him, I'll be happy. Yeah, this guy, Fabio Vieira, it is what it is. Yeah, it's another one for the future, like Marquinhos. We only sign Brazilian speakers at this football club. We're turning into Wolves that only sign Brazilian speakers. We are literally the London Wolves. That's what we are. But it is what it is. Let me know what your thoughts are on Gabriel Jesus. I do like him. Listen, people are going to sit there and go, oh, you're always negative. Yeah, maybe you're always a snowflake, motherfucker. How about lighten up a little bit, innit? Yeah, stop being such a baby. Oh, you're so toxic. Why'd you come back and watch it then, you freaks? Yeah, because you'll have to get your Lee Gunner fix every day, you weirdos. Let's move on to Rafinha. 65 to 75 million pounds is what Fabrizio Romano is quoting that this could cost. Arsenal fans are literally stuck to their bed sheets. They can't get up for school tomorrow. Yeah, their mum's going to rip them off their bed sheets because we're going to sign Rafinha for 65, 75 mil, whatever it is. Yeah, and do you know what the mad thing is? I actually rate Rafinha, but he is also one of the most frustrating footballers I've watched. And maybe that's because he played for Leeds or plays for Leeds and is associated to Leeds right now. Again, another player that I do rate, but we're going to bin Nicola Pepe off and go and sign Rafinha for about Nicola Pepe fee. And do you know what the mad thing is? This fan base are going to give this guy such a free pass that even if he drops Nicola Pepe performances, zeros, ones, twos, here and there, it don't matter. It don't matter. We've got Super Mick Arteta. He knows exactly what we need. It's embarrassing. Yeah, I like this guy. I think he's a top player, and I think he can go on and kick on to be a really top level, real top level, world-class footballer. But even if he don't, it don't matter. Mikel Arteta signed him. And it's 65, 70 mil. It don't matter. Don't matter. The way Nicola Pepe has been treated, by the way, is an absolute shambles, a disgrace. And every single person that's been cussing him, yeah, I'm sorry, right? You're going to see, yeah, he has got 48 GA in 112 appearances. I like Rafinha. I rate Rafinha. I think he's a top-class footballer. But if you think my man's going to drop 48 GA in 112 appearances, like Nicola Pepe has, you're mistaken. I'll take that bet with anyone. Stick it in the comment section. Let me know. But let me know about Vieira. Ooh, Vieira. He comes from Portugal, not from Senegal. Let me know your thoughts on him. Do you rate him? No, you probably don't because you didn't hear of him until last week. So forget that question. He's going to wear the number 20. Who had number 21? Was it Nuno Tavares or was he number 20? Who had number 21 at Arsenal? I can't remember. I genuinely can't remember. Leave it in the comment section. Big up to everyone who smashed a like on the video. Let me know your thoughts on Gabriel Jesus. Leave it in the comment section. Will he be a flop? Will he smash it? I like Jesus. Let me know your thoughts on Rafinha. I like Rafinha. Will he get more in 112 appearances than the 48 goals and assists that Nicola Pepe got? Don't matter either way, but I'd like to know what you think. Leave it in the comment section down below. I'm going to go and take this stupid swimming cap off my head that I told my friend I'd wear all the way through this show. You prick. And we've had a great day. We're going to go out for dinner. I'm going to go and get showered. I'm going to down the suave because I'm suave. I'm going to take this stupid shirt off. It looks like I'm in Love Island. Oh, yes. Yeah, the first person evicted from Love Island is Connor Ross. The second is Lee Gunner. We're out of here. Make sure you like the video. Let's get over 1,500 likes on this video. Stick your donations in if you want to. Hit the thanks option. And we're out of here. Arteta out.